When your carpet's in a mess, call procare.
The 8-step tile and grout cleaning process. Step 1. Pre-inspection. Technicians will make notes of all challenging areas and set your expectations, as well as pointing out any potential permanent stains in the grout. Step 2. Area preparation. We will prepare the areas surrounding the tile and grout, making sure not to disturb any carpet, hardwood floors, or appliances. Step 3. Dry soil removal. Our technicians thoroughly vacuum the entire area, maximizing the results we obtain. As in any cleaning process, dry soil removal is very important. Step 4. Soil suspension. We use the highest quality products. The cleaning agent sprayed over the entire surface of your tile and grout is the most scientifically advanced hard surface cleaner available to our industry. Step 5. Cleaning. Complex and difficult areas are agitated manually with a brush, and for really challenging heavy-use areas, a mechanical rotating brush is employed. Step 6. Rinsing. The entire floor is then cleaned using a state-of-the-art self-contained pressure cleaning system. Depending on soil conditions, some steps are repeated with different chemistry. A rinse solution is also used to balance the pH of your hard surface floor. Step 7. Sealing and finishing. Once the floor has been dried, a protectant or sealer is applied over the surface of the tile and grout. This helps resist resoiling, lessens the chance of permanent staining, while making the tile and grout easier to clean in the future. Step 8. Post-inspection. Technicians will walk through the cleaned area with you to discuss the results and answer any questions that you might have. A special note, this same process, or one very similar, can be used to clean any natural stone flooring, like marble and travertine. We also offer stone resurfacing, such as honing and polishing, that will give your natural stone lasting beauty.